YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's project, home renovation, and I will be replacing the kickboard below my front entrance door. So I still have this wood kickboard over here, and if you can see it, it's 20 years old, so it's a little bit beat up, and I'm not sure if it's rotten yet, but it's obviously not the freshest look. And to paint it over, you're gonna see this, I don't know where this came from, but you can see the nails already getting loose in there. So time to replace with something fresher looking, and maybe hopefully they will survive a little bit longer than this. So here's what I picked. This is some kind of plastic that obviously not gonna rot. I have a nice texture over here on the front. This is it's a 3/4 of an inch thick, and it's a 8 foot long. They actually don't have shorter than this in the store. In my local, it's Menards, who's Midwest area. You know what I'm talking about. This is not a nationwide store. And I actually need in the front this board to be 6 inches and in the back 7, so that's the size that I have the closest to what I need. It's 8 inches wide and 8 foot long, 3/4 thick. So that's what I'm planning to install instead of that wooden kickboard. Ideally, the goal is to remove this piece of wood in one piece, because it's not exactly 6 inches, even though if it's not gonna work out, I mean, there is still a little bit gap in over here. Some of it is actually covered with caulk, so if I'm not gonna be like right on the spot, it's not that big of a deal. I can actually hide imperfections with caulking and stuff like this, but then it's still gonna be a little bit easier if I'm gonna be able to remove this board in one piece. Then I just gonna have to just lay on top of my new board, draw a pattern, and just cut to the mark. So let's see how this thing will go. This piece of wood is actually far from being rusty. Well, and it doesn't want to come out in one piece though. So it is what it is. Yeah, it's coming in pieces. So yeah, this piece of wood is not quite done, but like over here, no, it's still okay-ish. There you go. And that's why you want to buy hammers with the plastic handles. Oh, this one already broken, but the handle better quality. As you can see, plan A didn't quite work out, so we're gonna be just doing the installation just by measuring everything with the tape measure. Now I'm just gonna clean up this old caulking over here. I normally making my marking in the back when I'm cutting, not the face side, because I mean this is pretty nice material. As you can see, it just cut in nice and smooth. That's the cut line from both sides. I mean really smooth. But sometimes when you do like a plywood or even the wood, the saw is spinning actually towards you, so when you cut in the face side, it's actually cutting inside, so it's lesser chance to actually break material out. So even cutting the plywood that way, the bottom part always gonna stay nicer than this side, because the saw every time gonna try to rip through up. So whatever's over here on the front, like I said, this is a nice material. It's nice on both sides, but it's basically just safer that way. So I always do my marking in the back, cutting through. That way it's like a double reassurance that the front side is gonna be good. New design is gonna be black, so I'm gonna do everything black over here. So next step is basically just to fill up over here. With caulking. It's always easier to paint the part on the table and then just do a little touch up over here when you're done. So didn't quite go. There you go, like that. And now just fill up over here where next step, just take water so your finger is wet, and just smooth it up like that. Whatever extra, just have a rag handy. So just like that, you change your kickboard in front of your doors, and this one, well, at least I hope it's gonna last at least another 20 years. So if you watch this video to the very end, thank you. Don't forget to give me a like for this video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and good luck if you have a project like that.